Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel, the Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing well. I am also good. So, in this video, I'm going to analyze gold, that is XAUUSD, for today as well as till close the market in this week. So, and also I will try to find the potential trade setups for today as well as tomorrow. And we know today is a big day as there is a CPI news lined up. So let's start the analysis. Before start the technical analysis, let's have a look into the fundamental and economic calendar for today. Okay, as you can say, as you can see today, a significant piece of news is set to be released in the USA. The CPI, that means the Consumer Price Index, which is represent the inflation data. The forecast for the CPI year over year, let me mark. Here it is very important. The forecast of the forecast for the CPI year over year is 3.1%, which is lower than the previous data of 3.3%. If the actual data aligns with the forecast, that is 3.1%, we could see strong selling pressure on dollar index and robust buying pressure on gold. And conversely, if today's CPI data is higher or equal to the previous figure, that is 3.3%, it could lead to significant selling in gold once again. So focus on this news, especially CPI year over year. It will give us a direction in the market in during the release of news, after release of news. And there is a CPI month over month. It is also forecasted greater than the previous, slightly greater than the previous. And the core CPI month over month, it is also a core news. So it is also important news, but it forecasted same as the previous. And I expecting some uh, increment in this core CPI. So if it give us slightly increment, it will not affect much more in the market, but this CPI year over year will affect today in the market. And we have also unemployment claims news, focus on it also. So during the news, do not open any trade. If you have any trade, close all the trades just before release of news. And after release of news, let the market to unfold and wait patiently to price come to your zone, which I will mark right after this fundamental discussion. Wait for the zone. If you get the price at your zone, then after getting evidence, you may initiate trade. Okay. So let's start the technical analysis. So let's start with 4-hour frame. If we check once in day frame, okay, the previous day candle was a sign of weakness. Actually, the previous day's candle, look, if you can see, the previous day candle is a sign of weakness. Okay. So it is a good the signal of weakness. So we may see a selling in gold today. Let's see what will happen. Let's start in 4-hour frame. In 4-hour frame, if I mark the structure, it is clearly bullish. Let me show you. Higher high, higher low, higher high, then again higher low, and next higher high. Okay. As per this structure, we have 2 point of interest. The first point of interest is there, and second is there. The first point of interest, the zone is 2336 to 2340. Okay. As per 4-hour frame, if we get the price at this zone, we may initiate a buy as per rule of market structure. Okay. But there is a second confluence is fair value gap. This fair value gap lie in the first POI. That's why it is a strong confluences to initiate buy from this zone. Okay. So there is a two confluences. If I plot the Fibo for the last swing, you can see there is a 78% retracement at this zone. So this is the third confluences for this zone. So if we get the price at this zone, we may initiate a buy. But as my opinion, it is possible after release of news because the price is too far from the current price. So after release of news, let the market to unfold, and if market approach this zone, we will shift our time frame to 1 minute and we'll initiate a buy from here after getting evidence. So that's all. If market able to break this support and come to this level, we will initiate a buy once again from this zone also, because this is our second POI as per the advanced market structure. So so if market creates small candle to approach this zone and reject from the below and give us evidence like engulfing bullish engulfing candle in 1 minute or 5 minute frame, we may initiate a buy from here also. And this zone is 2318 to 2322. Find this two zones as per 4-hour structure. So let's shift to the 1-hour frame for intraday and scalping purpose. In 1-hour frame, look what market did yesterday. Market very nicely respect the advanced market structure. If you have the knowledge of advanced market structure, let me show you something. Market create like lower low, lower high, lower low. We know whenever market, let me show one. Whenever market creates structure like this, lower low, lower high, lower low, then lower high, then lower low. We have 2 point of interest to join this entire bearish trend. Whenever market create this kind of direction or market structure, we need to join this bearish trend. Okay, great. So when market create this kind of structure, and we have 2 point of interest. The first is there, and sorry, the first is there, and the second is above this price. So this two position is called point of interest. So we need to wait for this price and initiate sell for this kind of movement, or we need to wait for this price for sell, initiate sell from this price. Actually, whenever market creates this kind of structure, we need to see multiple confluences for this both POI. If we get three confluences at first POI, that's then market come after test the first POI. If we have no confluences as first POI and there is a two confluences in second POI, in that case market come to this POI and come down. Okay, this is the way of, this is the rule of market structure. So let me show you in the chart what market did. Look, as per this structure, we have two point of interest to join the sell trend. The first is there and second is above this zone. This is how market nicely test the first POI, sell, again test the first POI, sell, and there is a confluences of fair value gap also. That's why it's create this kind of selling. Okay, this is the way of mark the structure, and this is the way the market react the market structure. Let me delete this thing. Okay, if I mark the internal structure, as you can see, it is bullish now. The higher high, higher low, then higher high. As per the internal structure, we have 2 point of interest. The first is there. Okay, first is there whole week of the high, and second is there. Okay, so market, look once again. Market how nicely respect this first POI and going up again. How nicely market work. The market structure works the same way everywhere. You just need to know the rules of drawing the structure. And mind one thing, in the world of Forex, there are no guarantees, but there are limitless possibilities. Your dedication, passion, and perseverance will be your guiding stars. So take a deep breath, dive into your analysis, and remember you have the power to shape your financial future. So keep following me. I will definitely help you to succeed in the market of Forex. Okay, all right, leave it and see for the intraday trades. Okay, so this is our first point of interest where market already respect, and if price come to this level once again before London session or in London session, we may initiate another buy from this area up to this zone. This is our first target. Okay, and the price is 2370 level. Okay, if this time market able to, but there is a rare chance able to break this support with momentum candles, we may initiate a buy from here once again. Okay. So before release of news, that means before New York session, if we get the price at this zone, we may initiate a sell from here, and the price is 2384 2384 Okay, if we get the price in this zone, we may initiate a sell from here like this. And mind one thing, before release of news, you have to close all the trades. Either it is on loss or profit. So this is our second trade setup for scalping purpose. Okay. And one last thing I want to discuss with you. Look, there is a relative equal lows. That means whenever market create this kind of spike in a relative equal lows or highs, it forms a liquidity area right below this spikes. So this is a liquidity area. That means there is a huge pool of orders. Means there is a SL of retail traders. So smart money need to grab these SLs after release of news. So be cautious for that and be ready. We may see a liquidity grabbing from this zone, and after liquidity grabbing, we may see market test the 4-hour point of interest and go up again. So mind this thing also. So that's all. All right, that wraps up today's analysis of gold. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will updated with all our latest content, tips, and strategies that really help you to trade smarter and more profitably. So, my dear viewers, thanks for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. We look forward to seeing you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, trade smartly, trade safely. Bye bye.